This talking baby meme took me less than 5 minutes to create it, and I used just 2 free AI tools. If you're interested in learning something like this, stick around for a couple of minutes. Let's learn how to do it step by step. First, I use ChatGPT for brainstorming and Grok AI to generate the image. So the first thing you have to do is to go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to act like a traffic police officer and give you an image prompt that for a talking traffic control baby meme. So let's look at it practically in few steps. Okay. This is what I asked ChatGPT to do for me. I asked ChatGPT to give me an image prompt. So ChatGPT gave me the image prompt already ready in this formula. So what next I do? Let's look at the prompt. Create a funny talking baby meme script where a baby talks like a strict police officer, humorous and meme worthy. So I copy the prompt that ChatGPT has given me. So ChatGPT helps me with the dialogue. So the second step is I will move to Grok AI. So I move to Grok AI to create my image. So here is Grok AI. Grok AI is a free tool. When you come to Grok AI, this is the way the application is. It's a free tool. If you are signing in for the first time, it will ask you to sign in with your username and password or with your Google email. So you come to Grok AI, and when you're at Grok AI, you come to Imagine. On Imagine, what do you do? On this place here, you paste the prompts that ChatGPT gave you. So here, we paste our prompts. That is the prompt we pasted. Let's see what it gives us with the minutes. Grok AI it gives very good images and it also does it fast. So it will give us the image we are looking for. It's still working. It's still working. So it's almost done. There we go. These are the images it gave us. Move it along, people. Move it along, people. So look at the different images it gave us. So now we have to choose what we want to use. We wanted a baby meme dress in Nigeria wear. I prefer this one. So we can go for this one. So when we go for this one, we will need to animate it the way we want it. So we will still go back to ChatGPT to collect an animation prompt. So we will use this animation prompt here. It already gave us the animation prompts in our script. I copy the animation prompts, come back to Grok AI, and we paste it based on what you want the police officer to say. So you send based on what we want the police officer to say while controlling the traffic. So that is what you paste there. You can just animate, like here we are just animating. So we can want the police officer to talk or say something particular. Then we will write it here for the police officer to say it. So our image is ready. It is animated. So that is how you create your talking baby. If you found this very useful, don't forget to leave a meaningful comment with I will be trying it. Follow for more useful tips like this. Watch to the end and feel free to pause and watch again so that you don't miss out on any step. Thanks for watching. See you in our next hack.